Good day, everyone. My name is Bridget Faye and Pantontos. I will be guiding our discussion today. We're here to talk about something that I believe is a very important part of our lives as a student, academic pressure and its effect on our mental health. I'm really excited to hear your thoughts and insight on this topic. Before we start, let's establish a few ground rules to ensure a safe space and productive space to everyone. First is respect. Let's listen carefully to one another's opinion and experience. Everyone's perspective is valued. The second one is confidentiality. What is said here stays here. We want everyone to feel comfortable sharing openly without fear or judgment. The third one is be concise. Please try to keep your answer direct so that everyone has chance to share their answer. The fourth one is raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you want to answer and then you may open your microphone. Last one is speak in English only. You are only allowed to speak in English during the discussion. Does everyone agree to the rules? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand if you agree on the rules. Okay, thank you. Let's start with our warm-up. And let's start in our icebreaker. Here is our icebreaker. Give a color that best describes how do you feel right now based on your academic status. Sorry for that. For example, is blue as I feel a bit sad because of my CLA scores. You can raise your hand if you want to share your answer. Thank you. Okay, Miss De La Cruz, please turn on your mic.
Purple, it represents fear, as I'm feeling nervous about our upcoming Impact Lab.
Okay, Miss De La Cruz, thank you for your answer. Anyone else? Okay, Miss Kamantige, turn on your mic, please.
Purple because I'm stressed on the workloads but still determined to do my best.
Okay, that's a great answer. Thank you, Miss Kamantige. Anyone else? Okay, Sir Otero, please open your mic.
Purple because I'm very scared to get uh, low grades.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Then let's start with our warm-up question. The first one is, how do you feel? How often do you feel stressed because of schoolworks? Does anyone to answer this question? Please raise your hand. Okay, Miss De La Cruz, please turn on your mic.
I usually feel stressed, particularly when several deadlines occur within the same week.
Okay, thank you, Miss De La Cruz. Let's start with our second one. What are the things that you do to meet the academic expectation you experience? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Miss Kamantige, please turn on your mic.
To meet the academic expectations I experience, I try to manage my time by making a simple to-do list and focusing on the one task at a time so I can do my best to finish my assignments early so I'm not rushing at the last minute.
Okay, what a great answer, Miss Kamantige. So let's start with our third one. What do you think is the best way to cope with mental health problem due to academic pressure? Anyone else want to say the answer? Please raise your hand. Okay, Miss De La Cruz, please turn on your mic.
I think the best way is to take breaks to rest my mind, manage my time well, and spend the rest of my life with my family.
Okay, what a great answer, Miss De La Cruz. So let's start with our main body question. Keep in mind that the question here is a little bit sensitive, so be free to answer if you want. Okay, let's start with our first question. Who among the people around you pressure you the most? Okay, Sir Otero, please turn on your mic.
My auntie, because she wants me to be a successful someday and be like her daughter that work in America right now.
Okay, thank you, Sir Otero, for your answer. And for the second was is how does academic expectation you experience affect your mental health well-being? Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Miss Ashley, please turn on your mic.
Navigating academic pressure can be tough, especially when you're trying to balance expectation with my own well-being. It's really common for students to feel this way, and it is important to remember that your mental health is just important grade.
Thank you, Miss Rogelio, for your great answer. Okay, thank you all so much for your honest and insightful contribution. Your willingness to share your experience with academic stress and mental health is truly valuable. It's clear that this topic affects us all, and it's inspiring to see how you all are working to cope with these challenges. Let's remember to support. Let's remember to support each other and to be kind to ourselves. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for your participation.